is a season 10. A time for every purpose under heaven. A time to be born and a time to die. A time to plant and a time to pluck. A time to kill, a time to heal. A time to break down and a time to build. A time to gain and a time to lose. A time to give and a time to throw away. A time to love and a time to cry. A time to love and a time to hate. A time of silence. A time to speak and a time of hope. A time of peace and a time you fall, you rise. You broken down and you tired of living life on a merry-go-round. You can find out you're a fighter, but I see it in you, so we go work it out.
Yeah, well. This is quite a very big class. It's the opposite of what I was expecting. I didn't know most of you would want to be economists. But anyway, that's it. First things first, you can call me Mr. Dicksons. Yeah, that's my name. I'm Mr. Dicksons. I want you to take note of this. This is now university. University life is the opposite of high school.
Yeah, we know.
What's your name, boy?
My name is Tatman.
Tatman. Why did you choose to come to this university?
I believe it's a good university in South Africa. I really appreciate to be here.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is Vicky.
Why did you choose to come to this university?
Because my mom owns this place and I mean it looks like a fun place.
Okay.
So,
Anyway, I welcome you all to Boston University. It's a very brilliant university. You are going to learn a lot from this university. But however, I want you to take note of these things. There are no favors here. What you sow is what you reap. So I expect you to behave like adults. Take responsibility of your action. It's going to be a very long course. We'll be writing tests after every 2 weeks. And those tests, you have to take them very, very seriously. They constitute 30% of the total mark. So if you fail those ones, you won't make it to the final examination. Are we together?
Yes.
Yes.
Any questions so far?
Nope.
No questions. So our lectures will be on Mondays 8 to 10 and Fridays 10 to 12. For tutorials, it's midweek. Everyone must attend these lectures. Are we together?
Yes.
Thank you very much. Yes.
So, say, can we call you Mr. Dick? Just Mr. Dick.
No, call me Mr. Dicksons.
Okay.
Okay.
Understood.
See you on Friday. Have a good day.
Okay, sure, sir.
So
You've got magic hands.
I always tell you that, but you don't want to believe me.
I know, hey. Anyway, I almost forget that we are traveling to the rural areas for my father's memorial service.
Oh, that one. I still remember. But unfortunately, this weekend I can't make it. I've got a big meeting that I need to attend this weekend.
Can't you postpone it for the next weekend? You know you are the only son-in-law to my late father.
I wish if I can, but these guys are coming from abroad, and I cannot miss this meeting.
Ish, I'll be going alone then.
I guess you're gonna have to go with the kids, and I'll make a plan with my brother Jay. He can actually take you there, and he can as well stand in for me.
It's okay if you say so.
Don't worry, my wife. I'll make it up to you. This evening, don't prepare anything. I'll buy you special food.
That's why I love you.
Love you too. Okay, we're gonna have to prepare now.
Okay, okay.
Hey, mommy.
Ladonia, my daughter. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How is school and how is everything?
I'm good, as you can see. The school is not that great.
I saw a car outside. Who's that?
That's my new boyfriend.
So what happened to the one that I know?
I broke up with that school boy. He wasn't taking care of me financially.
Oh. At least you came back to your senses, daughter, and made the wise decision. I've been telling you to look for a rich guy who can look after us. When I was a little girl, I never dated a broke guy.
Yeah, now I see it's like mother, like daughter. How I wish I had listened to your advice long time ago. You know, this guy, he takes care of me financially, he does everything for me. And I lied to him that you are diabetic. Then he gave me money for your medical checkups. He also gave me money so that I get you a helper.
So did you come to bring me that shit?
Relax, mom. That's actually the reason why I came here. And I also came here to inform you that he wants to visit.
He can visit anytime he wants, daughter. Don't worry. As for the diabetes, I know how to act like a sick person. And as for the maid, I can just tell him I send you to buy me something at the shops.
Oh, that's my mom. I trust in you so much, you know.
I'm not hungry, daughter. There's food in the microwave.
Actually, I'm fine. I grabbed something before I came here.
Okay, that's my daughter.
Let me put my bag in my room. I'll be back.
I love you.
I love you, mommy. There is a season turn.
But guys, exams are coming soon. And you're not even prepared. You're going to be prepared, otherwise you won't graduate.
Yo, bro, you worry too much. You worry too much. We still have 6 good months before the first exam, bro. So why are you still worrying about yourself, bro? Let's just enjoy our life.
Tell him, man. All you need to do is to relax and enjoy everything that we are doing now. After all, education is not about. Education is not the only key to success.
Yo, but bro, your father is a chief justice. And mine is just a common teacher. A common teacher, bro. It means I have to graduate with a better degree to get a better job. Unlike you, who is highly connected.
Chill out, man. What are friends for? Do you think, guys, I'm gonna forget about you? We have been friends since high school.
Yeah, that's true.
Yo.
And you know what? You only live once. YOLO. You only live once. So you don't have to worry yourself and focus on things that are not even sooner. So just let's forget about it. Let's go out there and find drinks. You know, girls, they are not good when you are not drunk. You know that. So let's go outside and have hot chicks there. And just chilling out. Let's go.
That's better. That's better.
Alright, man, let's go and see those chicks and make them drunk.
better.
Don't forget your book.
Yeah, man. So later, man.
A time for every purpose under heaven. A time to be bold and a time to.
Hey, Lidonia. What's up? How are you?
I'm good.
Yeah, I was just thinking, I should just come and see you. You know, this thing, I was thinking that if we try to build it out, then, it doesn't work it just without me.
Come on, Brian. Like, can't you read the handwriting on the wall? I told you that it's over and there's no going back. Come on, just leave me alone, man.
Hey, no, just imagine the bond that we created before all these years together. Please, just give me a chance.
Brian, I told you that I now have a new man in my life. Just leave me alone. What's so hard? Go away, man.
No, come on, please, just to know that I can't do anything. I can't move on. I can be the better man you want.
Oh, you want to be the better man, right?
Yeah, I can do anything you want. Please, just
Stay
away from me.
Go!
The time to plant and the time to plant.
Hey guys, I really actually didn't know that I was losing out, eh? That girl you guys introduced me, she's what? You know, I ended up lying to my wife that I'm going out on business on a 3-day trip, only to spend all my good time with that girl. She's beautiful. I am feeling young again. Why did you guys tell me about this type of life? That's so exciting.
You see now, you're speaking like a man now. We told you, these little girls, they are sweet. Hey.
Right?
You enjoy it?
Yeah.
I think if you can go again with the air, you won't regret.
That girl's actually giving me a hard time, babe. You know, I feel very young again, like I said. She doesn't even give me any rest. I don't think I will ever be thinking of not going back to her again. Never.
And you know what? You will never have stress in your life. Because these girls, they can treat you like a king. They know what to do.
These are the seniors of this game.
No, I'm the lucky one because my wife is going to be away for 2 weeks in Dubai.
Really?
So I'm going to invite one of those young chicks.
So you are used to this, eh?
It's a game that men play.
A game that men play?
Yes.
It's called cheating, guys, but I'm enjoying it.
Whatever I call it, give it a name.
Yeah. Anyway, guys, I'm not here to stay. I just thought I needed to give you all the credit. I'm young again.
A time to kill, a time to heal, a time to break down and a time to build, a time to gain and a time to lose, a time to give and a time to throw away, a time to love and a time to cry, a time to love and a time to hate, a time of silence.
Yo, my friend, you see these pictures? Oh, they are hot.
Hey girls,
Look
how
at
are
that.
you?
We are fine. How are you?
I'm blessed, thanks. You know what, girls? I wanted to invite you to an amazing service that's taking place tonight at the main hall. And there's this amazing pastor that's coming. And please, guys, can you join? And then you're going to be blessed if you come.
Oh, unfortunately, we already have plans for today. Maybe some other time, eh?
But girls, it's only like 30 minutes, I promise you. And after that, you're going to go back to your plans and do whatever that you're doing.
Are you deaf or something? Didn't you hear what she said? It's by force. Because we let no good thing. Surely when we stopped talking to you, it was no mistake. Because you don't understand.
No offense, girls. Anyways, I was just trying to bring you to Jesus so that you could listen the good news and be blessed as well.
Well, we lack no good thing. I mean, we are blessed. Can you see our life? We are blessed. Maybe you should come to our life and you will be more blessed.
I pray that may God forgive you because you do not know what you are doing. Anyways, we are no longer kids. You can decide for yourself when you come to Jesus. I pray that you may not live to regret for the rest of your life.
Hey, girl, just listen to me, okay? You are the one who's gonna regret never joining us, okay? You know what? Just go away.
Let's may God forgive you.
Go away.
Girl,
Let's go, my friend. Shout to me.
One in town, negurarama, uchitendere.